Hello students, in my last class you have studied about physical features, Western mountains or the Andes and the Eastern islands. Today we will deal with central lowlands and the coastal plains. So first we will deal with the central lowlands. The central lowlands are located between the Andes mountains and the eastern highlands, and the region is drained by the three large river basins. The Orinoco Basin river basin is the northernmost river basin of the continent. It rises in these Guiana Highlands and drains into the here Atlantic Ocean. And out of the three river basins, Amazon Basin, Amazon Basin is the largest, and it has the largest volume of water, and it is the second longest river after the Nile. With a length of 6,800 kilometers, it originates in the Andes here in Peru and flows eastward across before it drains into the Atlantic Ocean. Many large rivers join the Amazon on both the left and right banks. And the Paraná, Paraguay and Uruguay, these three forms the La Plata Basin in the south. And the Paraguay River is the main tributary of the Paraná River. And all the rivers in the Brazilian highlands and flow southeastwards to drain into the here Atlantic Ocean. Now our next topic is the coastal plains. Here you can see the western coastal plains lies between the Andes here mountains and the Pacific Ocean, and it is narrow at places, and the Andes descend and abruptly and steeply to the Pacific Ocean, and it is the widest. The Atacama Desert, you can see here the Atacama Desert is located along the western plains, absent in some places, and the northern parts of the plain is the widest. And the Atacama Desert is located along the western plains in the northwest coast of Chile. Chile is here, and it is the world's driest desert, and the coastal plains are quite broad in the northern and eastern parts of the continent. This is found near the deltas of the Amazon and the Plata rivers. Now our last topic from this chapter is island. This out of the important islands around South America, the following are noted. Now we can see in the map here, in the north a group of West Indies islands in the Caribbean Sea here, and east St. Catherine Island. Here you can see here the St. Catherine Island in the Atlantic Ocean, and in the south here it is Tierra del Fuego and the Falkland. It is in UK, and in the west is the Galapagos Islands in the Pacific Ocean. These are about the islands. Now here South America highest peak and longest river. It is all written in this table. This you will read one by one from the table, and this all range, country and height, this all you have to learn. In this way, here river is given, its length, source and draining. These all you will learn from the table. Now students, I have completed the chapter. Now you can do the review exercises, and all you do and if any doubt is there, you can ask in the group. Thank you.